Hello everyone, this is Igor from dEdge, and in this video we are going to talk about copy trading and manual trading. We'll explain why it's smarter to copy trade than doing the traditional manual way of trading. First of all, it's widely known that 70 to 90% of traders end up losing more money than they earned in the long run. And the biggest reason for that is the lack of knowledge and guidance on what to do. When you are trading manually, you have to figure out and execute everything by yourself. Professional teams don't do all the work by themselves. They have someone for research, someone to develop infrastructure, someone to execute trades, and so on. Why do you think you could do all that for yourself? It's like, could you eat a whole elephant by yourself? Moreover, individual traders tend to lack consistency and are overwhelmed by information. Do you really know what you have to do to be profitable? Do you really know what kind of data to look into? When you are researching on Twitter or reading Telegram groups or any other method you might have to figure out what to buy, most of the time you'll be caught in someone else's narrative. That's when you become their exit liquidity, and that's when you lose. In order to have higher chances of success in trading, you need to delegate part of the trading process. What if you had someone doing successful work telling you what and when to buy? This eliminates a considerable part of the work. You'd have just to figure out what to do with that information by asking, should I follow that signal? How can I follow that signal? How should I approach parameters, settings, and risk management, like fees, trading size, take profit, and stop loss, etc.? Suddenly, the elephant appears to be much smaller. You don't have to handle it whole. You just got part of it to handle, and you're kind of assured that the other part is taken care of. You are now into copy trading. The most straightforward way to aggregate value to your trading operation over time, by eliminating the emotional decision-making process and the overwhelming information noise out there, you are now on the path to consistent wins. But be careful with copy trading offered by centralized exchanges like Binance or Bybit. These platforms aim to make money from your trading volume. They don't care if you are being profitable or not. If you open their pages, you will see traders making 500 to 900% in the last 5 days. How sustainable do you think it is? Indeed, as soon you start copying them, odds are he'll start losing. That's what we call data cherry picking. But then, that's the reason on-chain copy trading is perhaps the most democratic way of making money for a single individual. All the data is 100% transparent. Everything is fully auditable. There's no one pushing you to do trades that doesn't make sense.
In fact, copy trading is not just about convenience. It's about signal versus random guessing, most of the time. It's about not getting influenced by hyper news, no emotional decision-making. It's definitely less screen time and more edge, more consistency, and real knowledge gain with experience. In the beginning, for some traders, copy trading might yield even more loss than manual trading. As manual trading is mostly a coin flip, copy trading has more prerequisites to it, like figuring out bots, parameters, wallets, etc. As we can see on the graph, over time, copy trader experience soon surpasses the manual trading odds of winning. Professional copy traders can reach 60 to 80% win rate, while seasoned manual traders hardly reach 50 to 60%, as their path seems more straightforward, but it's actually more complex and hard. It requires much more expertise to become a profitable manual trader. To wrap up things, finding people who's already winning and using their signals is definitely an edge in the market. By having that, you can focus in one area of expertise, researching and testing wallets, to figure out which ones you can scale up your operation. This will definitely put you much ahead of everyone else and increase drastically your odds of success. Thanks for watching the video. Focusing on disciplined and quantitative approach will take you much further. We'll continue with more videos coming next. Keep watching. Have a good one.